In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your Shopify store with ease. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your store's backend, this guide will walk you through a few essential steps to ensure your setup is smooth and efficient. First, let's begin by accessing your Shopify store's dashboard. When you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Home page, a central hub that gives you an overview of your store's performance and various management options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space, as it will be your go-to point for all the important activities related to running your online business. Now, let's move on to setting up payments, a critical component of any online store. From the home page, click on the Settings icon, usually found at the bottom left of your screen. Once you're in Settings, navigate over to Payments. This section is where you can configure how you'll receive payments from your customers. It's crucial to ensure that this setup aligns with your business requirements and financial preferences. Setting it up right the first time can save you a lot of hassle down the line. Within the Payments menu, you'll notice various options available to manage how transactions are handled on your site. Here, I recommend selecting Shopify Payments, which is integrated with Stripe, a widely used payment processing platform. Shopify Payments offers a seamless way to handle credit card transactions directly on your site without third-party redirection. Many store owners find this a convenient and efficient option due to its straightforward setup and competitive processing rates. Now, a quick note here. If you click on Shopify Payments, you'll find that it is inherently linked to Stripe. This integration means that you benefit from all Stripe's security features and rapid processing. Having this setup ensures your transactions are secure and that funds move swiftly, providing peace of mind for both you and your customers. To recap, accessing your Shopify store's homepage allows you a centralized overview of your business. From there, heading to Settings and subsequently Payments will help you set up Shopify Payments via Stripe. Remember, this choice can be pivotal for the smooth operation of your store, influencing both customer satisfaction and financial management. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you're well on your way to confidently managing your Shopify store's backend. Setting things up correctly right from the start ensures your business can operate smoothly and efficiently, ultimately setting you up for success. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to watch our other tutorials for more in-depth guides on managing your online store.